Lesson 2: Climate Change and Humans. The keywords for this lesson are fossil fuels, greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, water vapor, and fluorinated gases. Climate change and the effects we discussed in Lesson 1 are due to human activities that release gases known as greenhouse gases into the Earth's atmosphere. There are two types of greenhouse gases: natural gases, which include carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, ozone, and nitrous oxide, and industrial fluorinated gases that do not occur naturally. Natural gases act like greenhouse glass walls surrounding our planet by trapping the heat from sunlight within the atmosphere. Without this greenhouse effect created by natural gases, conditions on Earth would be too cold to sustain life. But over the last 2 centuries, the world's population has grown incredibly fast, and our cities have become large, modern, and have relied on fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas to power homes, industries, and means of transport. Deposits of fossil fuel that were formed in the geological past from the remains of living plants and animals became buried underground in the Earth's crust. When burned, these fossil fuels release more greenhouse gases into the Earth's atmosphere. As a result of modern human activity, burning enormous quantities of fossil fuels for such a long time, the concentration of these greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is increasing fast and causing Earth's temperature to rise. In addition to global warming, other effects of climate change may include unseasonal weather, unusual rise in sea levels, and ocean acidification. Climate change threatens both humans and nature alike. And while industrialized countries are mostly responsible for these excess emissions, the impacts of climate change are unequal and affect developing countries more severely, where communities are often poorer, more vulnerable, and do not have the resources to deal with the impacts. This is also known as the injustice of climate change. In the next lesson, we will look at how climate change is affecting marine habitats.